Hi everyone, I'm going to explain my art class curriculum. My name is Jency Limnish. I'm an international 3D painting artist. This curriculum is for kids below the age of 9 and below. So as I've written here, the major course content is we'll try to understand the basics of shape and give them an exposure to the different variety of mediums, their tools and techniques. As this course is basically focused on very small kids, very young kids who are very new to the world of art, we will try to develop their artistic skill in a very fun manner. You can't go into major theoretical details to them because they won't wait and listen to theories. They want to hear stories. That's what they enjoy, right? So we'll be focusing to develop their taste in art in that particular manner. Now, the outcome that we expect from this is being able to create sceneries, objects, animals, birds, plants, as well as humans in freehand and developing a creative base of drawing and painting. Now, how we are going to go about with it, the course duration is going to be for 18 months and we'll get into the module content. First of all, we'll be introducing them to pencil drawing, soft pastels and oil pastels. This is the medium that we are going to use throughout the course structure. We will be introducing them to values, forms, and the basic techniques, which includes like, an introduction to basic shapes, different types of lines, dots, curved lines. So, they'll practice it and they'll be thorough with it. We will teach them how to fill shapes, how to understand color values, how to mix their own colors. After that, we'll be getting into a different pattern. After we are done with these basics, we will concentrate on different scenes or different scenarios, and we will try to explain that in a form of a story and ask them about what all elements are present in that particular scenario. And in that way, we will help them to master in the technique of, making their own objects, making their own animals, making their own birds, even making their own human figures in a small manner, but in an interesting manner. For that, I'll just explain one or two. There are like around 14 to 15 scenarios in this. The first one would be like, for example, a celebration scene, like a birthday party. For that, we'll surely ask them like, what all elements are present at a birthday party. Of course, they will tell me there's a cake, there's candles, there's balloons, there is cupcakes, there is gifts, there's chocolates, etc. We'll concentrate on each of these things and we will teach them how to make different cakes or like, how to draw different candles, how to draw the fire in top of the candle if it's burned, how to shape balloons, how to draw different types of balloons, how to fill color in it, how to like, work over it. And we'll teach them how to blend their colors, how to use different colors in it. And then after we are done with taking care of each and every objects, we will concentrate with creating a scene, like a complete birthday party scene. That is the outcome of this particular thing. Similarly, we'll teach them how to a scene like at a farm. Similarly, we'll go on like teaching them about different animals, farm animals, different scarecrows, the farmhouse, and so on. Again, we'll teach them how to like, fill the shape with color. There is an edge there. Okay. After that, we'll be going on each and every scenarios. So the main part here is when we take a scenario, something which they are familiar with, the image comes to their mind. Like if we say like, a day at a beach, they have all been to a beach. So they know what is there in the beach. That way it would be easy for me to make them understand about these different objects, the structure of it, the different techniques to go about with it, and they will be able to make the different scenes by using all this knowledge. Similarly, there is at the zoo, in the house, around the city, like at school, in the park. Then sports, shows around the world, fun with science, history. So in basic, they're covering each and everything that they come across in their normal life. If they like race cars, we will learn how to make race cars. If they like astronauts, we will learn how to make astronauts. Everything in a fun way. That is basically the outcome. For example, if it's girls and they like these fairy tales and their castles and their kings and queens, we learn how to do it. So that for them, it is fun. But even like, them not being very serious to it, we achieve making them into good at drawing. They will learn how to make these structures properly at any time. That is the kind of outcome we're expecting from this. So it will be done in a very fun manner. As I already told you, the total time taken for this, the course duration is already mentioned there. Like the course duration is going to be 18 months to get a proper covering of the entire thing here. So I hope you will enjoy doing this with me. Thank you.